Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair is green, but this lighting sucks, so you can't really tell. It changes in all different kinds of lighting. I'm moving around slowly. Can you see that green? Can you see that? I'm gonna show you the process that we're gonna do to fix it. Payola. Payola. Hey, you wanna be a part of my YouTube video?
Do I want what?
Hey, do you wanna be a part of my YouTube video?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well this is it.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god, and she just straight up turned around. Let me see if I can adjust this lighting.
Alright, what is this for?
So you see how I have ugly green hair, even though she doesn't think it's green. Like, I don't know why, but she just thinks it's blue. Everybody else thinks it's green. I see green. What do you guys think? All right, so what we're gonna do is fix this mess.
Yep.
Gonna take some intense black blue, drop some red in it, use balancing lotion, and it should come out to be black blue. Oh, she wanna be in it too. What's up, girl? Came out of nowhere.
Don't come to the school, it's horrible.
Yeah. No, don't let people know where we go. But it's okay because cosmetology isn't going to be open anymore anyways, because this school is just ghetto and it sucks.
Yeah.
This isn't a shade video, okay?
Yeah, no shade. Okay, let's show our beautiful Asian that knows everything.
Yes.
She's so perfect at life.
Yeah.
She's so perfect at life.
Anyway.
It's not racist. I love
It
Asians.
is.
I love Asians. I love Asians.
I love Chinese food.
More racist.
Chinese food is my favorite though.
I love all Asian food, I'm just kidding, guys.
We gonna show you, and then we gonna show you how it looks. She's talking too loud. She's talking too loud. We gonna show you the result after, and you gonna come to our salon with us.
Wait.
Oh, yeah,
We're not
yeah.
done here.
Okay.
Follow her at yayabeauti, with an I, not a Y.
Hey.
Okay, now we're done.
Subscribe.
Gang.
All right. We'll see you.
Actually.
Yeah, she swears. She finished her food. That means we are going to dye my hair.
Yeah.
Hey, Danielle.
What are you about to do?
Danielle, do you want to be a part of my YouTube video?
I don't know, it depends on if you get my good side.
If I get what?
My good side.
Your good side? Is that your good side?
I don't know, I gotta look at it first.
Well, honey, you're already part of it.
Let me see.
That's what she doing. What is this? What she doing, homie?
You using balancing lotion. We're gonna
What you
use.
doing,
It
homie?
did get light a little bit.
We're gonna use intense blue black from Rust. And what's that, Aline?
I don't know. Red dye.
A red dye. We're gonna drop some dyes in that.
You got it. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Yes, you did it. She did it. She did it. She killed her fingers while doing it. How you feel?
Terrible.
Feels moisturized.
Ew, don't say that.
And then she's back. She's back. She wants to get in the video. Right in the hair. Yeah. Look at that. Get it, Elaine. Look how focused. Look at that. She back. She back. What you doing? What you doing, Paola? Tell me.
What am I doing?
I can't.
I did this mess.
It's okay.
I have no
Don't say
words.
a mess. No. You trying? It's okay. I hate color too.
Making a meme. Okay, let's see what's going on. What's going on, guys? You tell me.
Yeah. So
We have so many colors.
we have red, violet, and blue mixed together, like Elaine said, a cocktail.
A cocktail.
Hair color
Alcohol.
cocktail.
Love it. Okay. Continue.
Yeah. I mean, you could just take a look on this side. She's going to the other side now.
The reality of the salon. I mean, there's nobody here because I don't know why, but usually it's full. All right.
Foils in my hair.
There's foils in her hair, apparently.
Oh my god.
All right.
Why is it so hot in here?
Like phone right
That's
ear.
better. That's
I
smart.
should have did that a long time ago.
That's so smart.
Purple, guys.
Hold it,
Let's
that's
zoom
not
in.
even
I hope it turns out blue more than purple.
Okay, so right now it does look like purple, of course.
But on my hands it looks blue-ish.
It's someone at my job already has purple hair, so ain't nobody trying to be a copier. I'm different. I want to be myself.
It's not gonna. You're not gonna see.
Alright, it's not gonna be purple.
I pray. Watch this whole thing just come out black, and I just went to black.
And you just colored your hair for nothing. Baby hairs. The baby. Yeah, I'll get those later.
Oh my gosh, this is Jeremy's song.
It's also Yaya's song.
Every time this come on, I'm always like talking to him or doing his eyebrows.
Love it, I'm moving.
Can you not move, please?
Yeah. Turning it up.
Alright, I think Paola is done vlogging. Alright, here you go, ma'am.
Thank you, fam. They always fighting. These teachers always fighting. You would think that would be the kids fighting, my dog? No, it's the teachers fighting. No, it's mad crazy. Look at that.
Some people are losing it in here. You're like in the middle of it.
Right? Everyone's so loud.
Every day and I still survive it. So. You don't come over here. You want to eat? You might want to eat. You couldn't eat that.
Alright, homie G's. I'm at work now, but here is the color of the final result. Hope you can see it. Basically, when you see it real nice up and close and personal, it's like a blue violet. It's beautiful, has a beautiful tint to it now, no more green. So we definitely fixed it. I'm very happy. So thank you so much for watching this crazy video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like and comment. There's some affiliate links down below, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye. Share to everyone, and tell everyone to subscribe. And there is blue dye all over my fingers.